So a project looks awesome and you're happy with it, but how do you know if it was a success or a failure? This is something you need to define and determine early in the product cycle. On any project, it's important to know why you're designing or building something. Defining the goals can help you set the priorities so you know where to focus your energies. Goals can vary from anything from reaching a new target audience to increasing the number of visitors or growing the number of paid users. In addition to setting and defining goals, you also need to consider how you will measure the success of the project. These are often referred to as KPIs, or Key Performance Indicators. Determining measures for success is not always as easy as it sounds. Consider a scenario where the number of page views to your website went up. But how do you know that's because people loved your content and not because people were frustrated trying to find something? Stakeholder interviews with core members of the client team, customers, bosses, or additional players both inside the organization and outside are one way to understand the core measures of success. Through these conversations, themes will emerge that will help you prioritize features and define KPIs. These are conversations that benefit from working as a team, asking questions, and even rethinking how things have been done in the past. Another consideration is how to track data if part of your experience involves an in-person or offline component, or if the key metrics you need are not available to the public domain. Therefore, it's important to have conversations to consider many different possibilities for quantifying success. Be sure to involve the developers early in the process so they can consider how they can build in ways to record and measure data into the product. While teams are focused on success, it's important to remember they can also learn from failure. Time should be integrated at the end of any project to discuss what you learned and how it can be improved in the future. This is often referred to as a postmortem or retrospective. In addition to learning from failures and challenges with your own experiences, you can also learn a lot from other companies as well.